Chapter 4. Bread. Lesson 13. Why bread rises.
Key words: dough, flour, mix, bowl, rise, fluffy.
Why bread rises. Bakeries always have large loaves of bread. However, bread dough is much smaller. How does it grow bigger? The answer is yeast. To make bread dough, you need flour, sugar, water, eggs, and yeast. You mix them together in a bowl. Then, the yeast does its magic. After it eats the sugar and flour, it creates gas. The gas makes the dough rise. The sugar makes it rise faster. But if you add salt, it rises more slowly. Next, you put the dough in the oven. While it is there, even more gas comes out. When the bread is baked, it is big and fluffy. Yeast is very important. Without it, we can't make large, soft loaves of bread.
Lesson 14. Bread around the world. Key words: roll, baker, boil, flat, spread, crunchy. Bread around the world. Did you know that bread is about 30,000 years old? People all over the world eat bread. It has many shapes and tastes. Bagels are chewy bread rolls from Poland. Each bagel has a hole in the middle. Bakers boil bagels before baking them. That's why bagels are chewy. They taste good with cream cheese. Naan is flat bread from India. Indian people bake naan in special ovens. They like to spread butter on it. You can also eat naan with curry. It tastes great. Baguettes are long, thin bread loaves from France. They are crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. People make delicious sandwiches with baguettes. Bread is popular because it is delicious. Let's try some special bread today.
Lesson 15. A baker's dozen.
Key words: dozen, weigh, sell, price, law, afraid.
A baker's dozen. Usually, a dozen means 12. But a baker's dozen means 13. Why is that? Long ago, people couldn't weigh things very well. The bakers knew that. Sometimes, bad bakers sold small loaves of bread for high prices. They lied to lots of people to make more money. These bad bakers made people angry. So, in 1266, King Henry III of England made a law about bread weight. All the bakers were afraid of the king. When people bought 12 loaves of bread, the bakers started to give them 13 loaves. They wanted people to know they were honest. Today, bakers don't give extra loaves of bread. However, a baker's dozen still means 13.
Lesson 16. Fun ways to use bread. Key words: erase, mark, draw, stinky, soak up, jar. Fun ways to use bread. Most people only use bread as food. However, there are other interesting ways to use bread. First, you can erase pencil marks with white bread. In the old days, people used bread to erase their mistakes. Some artists still use it today when they draw. Bread also stops stinky vegetable smells. When your parents cook broccoli, put a piece of bread on it. The bread will soak up the bad broccoli smell. You can use bread to keep other food fresh too. Chocolate chip cookies are an example. Put 2 pieces of bread into your cookie jar. Your cookies will stay soft and chewy for a long time. Bread is very useful. You can do many different things with it.